Shri Ghani Khan Chaudhary, an ex-Union cabinet minister and a visionary who had contributed immensely to the societal development of the region of Malda, had always been striving to provide for an improved lifestyle for the local population. He believed this was only possible through means of education, both technical and vocational. In 2010, the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India, sanctioned the 542 crores required for the Ghani Khan Institute of Engineering and Technology. This institution will be one of a kind, with courses ranging from non-formal training, certificate courses, diploma, degree program, postgraduate and PhD. The campus architecture features a direct inspiration from the monuments at Gaur. It has a grand entrance which truly represents the magnanimity of the vision the institute stands for.
Good morning, everyone. It is my pleasure to welcome all of you to this prestigious institution. As you have already seen, Ganikhan Chaudhary Institute of Engineering Technology, GKCIET Malda, was established in the year 2010 by Government of India. It is a centrally funded technical institute under the Ministry of Education. GKCIET is uniquely positioned in the domain of engineering, technology and vocational education, catering to the educational and skill development needs, especially of the region as well as the country. The institute emphasizes skill-oriented training and education tailored for the industries and the entrepreneurs. The various academic programs of GKCIET integrates engineering, technology, applied sciences, humanities and vocational courses to foster interdisciplinary learning. GKCIET presently offers formal academic programs leading to diploma and degree in engineering and technology in 5 streams, namely civil and environmental engineering, computer science and engineering, artificial intelligence and machine learning, electrical engineering, food engineering and technology, and mechanical engineering. Apart from these diploma and degree programs, the institute is mandated to offer skill development programs to cater to the needs of the region.
I wish all of you a fruitful visit to our campus
and wish you all the very best in engineering your future through science and technology. We would definitely be happy to be part in this future endeavor of yours. Thank you. All the very best.